Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to block and unblock numbers on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app and then select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and select the settings button. Underneath General, you want to select the Blocked Numbers tile. Select Add a Number, and go ahead and just type in that number, and then select Block, and that's all you have to do. So, and if you wanted to remove them later or you want to unblock them, you just would click on the little X next to their number, and you would unblock them by selecting Unblock, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.